Did you know that the United States Mint made a 3-cent piece? They actually made two types. They made a silver and then they made a nickel. Next up, I have a 2-piece set, everybody. You're going to jump right into it because I don't have many, so we're not going to spend a lot of time on it. Let's take a look. This is a 2-piece set, everybody. The first one made is the smallest one made was the silver. That's the one on the top shelf. They also call it a silver trime. They made it from 1851 through 1873. The obverse is a 6-pointed star. So that there on the left is the obverse. And the reverse has the Roman numeral 3. So that of course stands for a 3-cent piece. The total mintage is under 40 million from those years, 1851 through 1862. The last few years they made very, very few. Now, it was so popular that they canceled the half dime in silver, and then they made the shield nickel in 1866. So the next one up is the 3-cent nickel, which was the one that was replaced by the shield nickel. They came out with a 3-cent nickel in 1865 through 1889. The obverse is Lady Liberty. So you'll see Lady Liberty on the obverse, and then the reverse, of course, has that same Roman numeral 3 to stand for the 3-cent piece. The total mintage on this one is under 35 million, so a little bit rarer, and the dates of issue range from 1865 through 1881. Now, the silver piece, the one that we showed you first, the 3-cent silver is the smallest United States Mint issue, is only 14 millimeters. To give you a comparison, our current dime is 17.9 millimeters. That's how small it is. This one here, the 3-cent nickel, is the size of a current dime, 17.9 millimeters. Now, the first United States coin ever struck a nickel was this one, the 3-cent nickel. The nickel 5-cent wasn't issued until 1866. That's the shield nickel. So it was so popular that they came back with the nickel in nickel. That's why they called it a nickel, and that was in 1866. So these are called as obsoletes, meaning they are no longer in service. The 3-cent piece is not a denomination that is in our circulation. This is a 2-piece set like I referenced for that low price of $99.95. Our competition sells the 3-cent piece alone, that one there at the top, in silver for $116. So just about $16 or more than our combined price for both of them. They sell the 3-cent piece in nickel for $57.50. So combined, they're about $174. We're $74 less at just $99.95. Now these are hand-selected, quality circulated pieces. Each one comes encapsulated individually. Now we put them in this beautiful, we call it an H38 capsule. It has a ring around it, so it really highlights the piece in the middle. We're showing you the obverse and the reverse of each coin. This is the reverse of the 3-cent silver, but it is a 2-piece set. So the top shelf is showing you the obverse reverse of the 3-cent silver. The bottom one there is the obverse reverse of the 3-cent nickel. But combined, they're a $99.95 for the 2-piece set. Give us a ring, folks. Item number on this one's 905-2126. You get both coins in beautiful circulated condition. If you want to join us via the web, that's always an option. Head over to abccoins.com. Available for you 24/7. I highly suggest you bookmark that site. Search that item number 905-2126 into the search bar and grab one of these vintage, obsolete collections for your collection before they run out. I do have to put a 1-minute clock up. Like I referenced, I don't have many, so this is a little bit shorter of a talk. Don't let this one pass you by. They're under $50 a piece. Our competition is $116 for the silver and $57 for that one right there, the 3-cent nickel. So what you're getting is 2 coins made in the 1800s. They're random dates. The silver was made anywhere between 1851 and 1873. The 3-cent nickel was made anywhere between 1865 and 1889. Both of them have the Roman numeral 3 on the reverse, standing for that 3-cent obsolete now denomination. So this one is a historical piece. It's obsolete. It's a 3-cent. The nickel replaced it later on. They made the shield nickel in 1866. And they kept the word nickel because they made it out of nickel, and that's kind of what stuck until the war years, right? When we had the war nickels made out of silver. Prior to that, this is what we had. Everybody, we do have to be moving on. This one is a really fun one, beautiful set, great savings. Let's see what's next.